Okay, quick question. If your stomach starts growling in a quiet room, does your brain hear it first, or does everyone else? Pause for 3 seconds and imagine that awkward silence. Now here's the twist. Your brain is actually the first to get the message, translating those rumbles into the universal language of embarrassment. So next time your stomach sings before lunch, remember, your brain's just as hungry as you are. Hit that subscribe button for more weird science questions. Subscribe for more videos.